you get to that flying car so fast? What were you doing on that bridge? You know how many years I've worked at this hospital? You know anything about me? Do you have any idea what I've been through? How much have you had to drink today, Jack? Okay, tell you what, you do this. You get my father down here. Get him down here right now. And if I'm drunker than he is, you can fire me. Don't you look at me like that. Don't you? I'm trying to help you. You can't help me!
Hey! He's beating her up.
She's licking him. She loves her baby.
He's scratch baby.
No, don't worry. It's mommy and baby playing.
No.
Yes.
I protect my baby. No touch my baby, this is my baby. This is my baby. My baby. This is my baby. My